Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, that is complementary and duplicate recessive epistasis. These genes are two pairs of genes which are present on separate loci. Loci means location that interact jointly to produce only one phenotypic characteristic. Neither of them, if present alone, express itself. It means they are complementary to each other. You see the example. This is agouti color. This is albino color. Capital C, capital C, capital A, small c, small a. Dominating characteristic, that is agouti. Like again dihybrid cross, capital C, capital A, small c, capital C, small a, and small c, small a. Both side similar gametes, whatever case may be, male or female gametes. Then in generation, in F2 generation, ratio will be 9:3:4, that is 9 is agouti, 3 is black, and 4 is albino. It is one more example. Capital W, capital Y, that is for white color. Small y, small w, that is shows green color, that is recessive and it is dominant. And here when cross was done in F1 generation, it was hybrid white, and again gametes were formed like dihybrid cross only, as we are studying from starting. In dihybrid cross, gametes are similar in male and female parent, and then resultant will be 12:3:1, that is 12 white, 3 yellow, and 1 green. Now we are starting with multiple allele. When more than 2 allelic forms of the wild type or normal alleles are present on the same location in a given pair of chromosomes, they form a series of multiple allele. They represent different expression, and multiple allele has many features. They arise by mutation of wild type of genes. They occupy the same location in homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosomes are those which has similar shape, size, and structure in male as well as female gametes. Multiple alleles regulate the same character with different degree of expression, and multiple allele never undergo crossing over. In multiple allele, the wild type of expression is dominant. All other expressions are recessive to wild type but are related as dominant and recessive among themselves. Now we will see example. As you can see, this is wild type, that is brown fur. This is chinchilla, black tipped white fur. This is Himalayan white fur with black paws, nose, ears, and tail. This is albino white fur. And its genotype you can see capital C, capital C, capital C CH, capital C CH, capital CH, capital CH, small c, and here phenotype. Now when F2 generation was there, F2 generation was in this manner. As you can see, as I told you, this is brown fur. You can see this down, you can see black tipped white fur. You can see how it is white fur, and it is white fur with black paws, nose, ears, and tail, and this is total white fur. It is example of multiple allele. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.